good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you just so happen to click on this video. First, before we get into the topic of conversation, please go over and join the Work at Home Lounge over there on Facebook. I will talk about that group every chance I get when I upload a brand new Work at Home video, because that group is legit changing people's lives, family. People who have been without jobs for months, some people who never thought that they would land a work at home job are landing work at home jobs, and they're sharing their testimonies in the group. And I absolutely love when people share that they've actually landed a gig, because it gives people hope. And that is something that I absolutely love. I love to see people winning. I love to see people making money, to be completely honest with you. But definitely go over and join the lounge. The link is in the description box down below, and all of the other links for everything that I'm going to be discussing on this video. I think that you guys should definitely go over and apply right now for American Health. They're looking for intake coordinators slash schedulers, okay? Basically what you'll be doing as an intake coordinator slash scheduler, you'll be scheduling appointments, verifying insurance, completing pre-certifications, making referrals, etc., etc. Okay? Another thing that I love about this position is that you can live anywhere in the United States except California and Mississippi. And I know a lot of people are probably going to say, oh my God, here we go again with the California. California has very strict labor laws, which prevent a lot of companies from hiring out of California, unfortunately. But you can live anywhere except California and Mississippi. And another gig that I would recommend that you guys run and check out right now is the transcriber position with iSoftStone. I worked for iSoftStone for about 3 or 4 months. This was several years ago, maybe about 5-6 years ago or so. I worked for them doing transcriber work. And I think I actually did a vlog about this. I was showing you guys exactly what I was doing. It was really simple work. You'll pretty much just be listening to audio recordings and typing out what they are saying, okay? That's pretty much the gist of all you'll be doing. And like I said, they pay you once per month via PayPal. Now, this was 5-6 years ago when I worked for iSoftStone, so things may or may not have changed. But if they haven't changed, they pay you once per month via PayPal, okay? Now, you'll be working about 15 to 20 hours per week. Totally flexible. So you can work whatever hours you choose to work. So if you have a regular job and you decide that you want to work in the afternoon, perfectly fine. Or if you decide, well, I want to get my hours out of the way in the morning and have my evenings free, that is perfectly fine as well. Or if you want to skip an entire day and only work on Tuesday, that's perfectly fine as well, okay? So as long as you get your 15 to 20 hours in that week, you can work whenever you choose to work. All of these links will be on my blog, you guys. Just go over there and check them out and apply. And yes, definitely go over and join the Work at Home Lounge. Again, great information over there in that group. And I am super excited for what it has in store for the remainder of 2019. We're just now in February. And family, I really see great things happening for that group over the next couple of months. So I'm super excited about that. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.